Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple trick to call on WhatsApp without saving the phone number in your contacts. Now let's get started. First of all, find the WhatsApp on your home screen. Now click on it. Here you can find the plus sign on the top right corner. Now click on it. Now here you can find the option of message yourself. Simply click on it. Now you are in the message yourself chat box. Type the number that you want to call without saving. After typing the number, simply send it. Now tap on to the number that you just sent. Now there will be the option of audio call and video call. You can choose either of that. I tap on to the audio call. Now the call is calling. So that's it. This is how you call a number on WhatsApp without saving the number. The person will receive your calls and you can continue calling on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.